Fix the item Unplayable 0xc00d36e5 error in Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can solve this type of issues, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now the issue is usually common if you don't have a proper video player, because if it is a certain video that you have saved on your laptop or your computer and that video file is not opening itself up, let's say for some reason, if you have under, let's say, let me go to the videos tab here, and when you go to the videos tab and if the video is not playing, then you can solve it using VLC media player. Now I recommend you use VLC media player because that is the most common and the best media player for Windows. You can open a VLC media player and there are a couple of configurations to make here. From the top you can see the toolbar here. Just go to the toolbar and simply go to the options called preferences. From preferences you'll find this little option where you have to simply go to input and codecs option here. Now over here you can see it says damaged or incomplete AVI file. It will ask for an action. So if that file is damaged but we want VLC to fix it, you can select this option and select always fix. So when you select always fix and then you hit the save button, next time if there is any sort of unplayable video file, whenever you're playing, the VLC media player will automatically fix it and then you'll be able to play them. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then fix the unplayable item error in Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.